Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be scootering. Ouch! Okay, this is where the skate park where I go to. I'm probably very bad, but I can do tail whip, kinda. Sorry. It's probably my first video with the GoPro on my head, on my helmet I mean. So I'm mad and I haven't been doing this since a while, so I'm pretty bad at it. But I keep falling, so I just had to practice. So kind of getting warmed up. This is my first video on the skate park with the GoPro, so I don't know what to say. Oh jeez. I was gonna say, why you keep going on the same thing, Reed? So I don't care though. I just want sure you want some subscribers, please. Get me to 100 subscribers. If that happens, I really thank you. I would do gaming videos and scooter videos. See, I just fell. I'll do gaming videos, scooter videos, whatever videos you want. Okay. I'm gonna try and transfer. Okay. Turn around. Try and do transfer again because I have to transfers. Oh jeez, I'm a chicken. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and a video that you get notified when I get a new video uploaded. Whatever you want, I'll do it. Okay. This is gonna be Okay. Bye, guys.